Alrighty, hope you're having a great day. My name is Benjamin from Forex Hermes. Hope you're having a great day. Yeah, right now I'm pretty tired. You can probably hear it in my voice. But I wanted to get this video out anyways, so that's why there's no video of me. It's just my voiceover right now. But anyways, if you want to join my Discord community where I post the tips and tricks and whatever analysis, yeah, definitely use the link in the description. There is no other link. That's the only link in the description that actually links to the official Discord. So yeah, I'll probably have discussion sessions pretty soon, so that's gonna be pretty awesome, you know. But without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the pound USD, and right now, as we speak, it's looking more bullish than bearish, but it's still below the Tenkan Sen, and that really doesn't convince me that right now we're gonna go bullish. The market could just spike out or give out those large spikes, that we saw during this week that really actually threw me off. They really did throw me off, because these kind of spikes, they aren't normal, in the market for them to happen like this. So I stayed out of the market this week when it comes to the pound and the EURUSD. In the beginning of this week, I did put in, I think, 3 different scalp orders. So I got like $300 or $400 from that, which isn't bad, to be honest, from scalping. But I'm not a scalper. All right, I need to just reiterate that I am not a scalper. I don't scalp, on a regular basis. That is not my style. I'm more of a position holder, taking days to weeks to actually, take profit. But also, speaking about take profit, this is a demo account that I am just doing my analysis on, because like I don't want to clear my, my lines from my charts. And normally with my other PCs, I have 2 PCs that I work on. One is strictly for work, and one is for where I edit and do my analysis on, right? So this PC is with my demo account, right? My other PC has all of my trend lines, all of my resistance and support lines on, right? And it gets messy. I deal with messy. That's the thing with me. A lot of my things are all over the place, so that's why there are these random order arrows, I guess you can call them. Yeah, because like I sometimes want to experiment with things, and I don't want to do that with my actual account, so I use a demo account, right? So that just explains why these arrows are just like that. But anyways, so pound USD, what I'm looking at is that 1.25250 level. The reason why is because that is my support, what I see as support. Remember, everyone sees support as like a different type of thing. Some people see it as a zone, some people see it as a line. I see it as both. It's hard to explain it. That's the thing, it's hard to explain it. But anyways, I'm looking at that level. All right, if that level is broken, and if price rejects that level going upwards, then I see the market as lucrative. If not, we stay out. All right, so this is my dead zone. Let me call it that. This is my dead zone, the 1.25250 and the 1.23387 level. That's my dead zone. If price doesn't break these levels, I'm not trading at all. This takes discipline. All right, so if you are a long-term trader, or if you are a new trader, do this. All right, have these levels where you stay out of it, right? Because I am a trend follower. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're a new trader that is a trend follower, do this, because some people tell you to trade from support and resistance, or from support to resistance. All right, and you can do that. However, I look at it as I'm only trading breaks. All right, that's me, and that is what this channel is about: following the trend and respecting the support and the resistance levels. So as I said, that level, that 1.25250, that's what I'm looking for. When that's broken, and when I see the Ichimoku telling me to buy, that's when I buy. Obviously go to the lower time frames and do my entries over there. and the 1.23387, that's for when the market drops unexpectedly, because anything can happen, as I saw during this week. That's why I had those scalp trades. So luckily, I stayed out of this market, but I did have those scalp trades to bring some percentage growth to my portfolio. But anyways, that's what we're looking at right now. And that's where we're at with the pound USD. Just looking at those two levels, this is my dead zone right now. We in the dead zone. So we'll see what happens next week. Hopefully next week is going to be lucrative. So now we are looking at the EURUSD. It's a mess. It is definitely a mess right now. As you can see, I do not like the look of this chart, and therefore I stay away from it. But if the market does break the specific levels that I have put on my charts, then I'll look at getting in. So the one level, the resistance level, is the 1.12986 level. That's my resistance, and the support is the 1.11923. Now, when price consolidates on the 4-hour, the way I like to trade it is with breaks, right? But I have a specific way of trading those breaks, because these breaks can easily be fake outs, especially with consolidations. So what I normally do is I wait for a trend to start, right? And I wait for a pullback. And then I wait for the trend to, do another impulsive move. And then I get back on with the pullback. All right. So you might lose a lot of, pips with this, but you're being safe. All right. So with that position though, I'll normally do like 2%, because I'm making up for the percentage that I actually lost by being safe, but I obviously do the 2% on a high probability trade. But for the most part, I risk 1% of my position every single trade, and I try get as much profit out of the trade as possible. That's why I'm using the Ichimoku, because it allows me to get the best out of my position. All right, so that's where we at with the EURUSD. It's going nowhere, it's literally in a very dead zone. You can call it that. That's pretty much my look at it. Consolidating, there's nothing you can do about it, so you just wait for the break. That's pretty much it. So I'll probably check it like every day. I wake up and I check my charts and then leave it, because it might take some time to break these levels. And we never know which level it is gonna break. So there's no direction on 4-hour Ichimoku, so we're just gonna leave it. As easy as that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something from today's video. I do apologize for not having like an actual video out. It's just a voice-over video. But yeah, I'm just not feeling the best right now. Yeah, making these YouTube videos is a bit more draining than I thought it would be, because I do multiple videos per recording session, so it is quite draining. Editing is quite draining, but at the end of the day, this is my passion, and I wouldn't trade this for anything in the world. So yeah, that's all from me. Hope you have a great day or night, depends on where you are. My name is Benjamin from Forex Hermes, and I am out.